Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I already did the base because I wanted to, you've already seen my foundation routine. It hasn't changed. All I used was the Clarins Pore Minimizer primer, and then I just used NARS concealer under the eyes, and then just some of the areas where I just wanted to cover up. I have some dark spots here, and that was about it. Very minimal, very natural and sheer. Just how I like it most of the time. So I've already done the base, and today I kind of just want to do a natural Valentine's Day makeup look. So it's going to be a soft glam look. If you're interested in seeing what the look turns out to be, then keep on watching. So I'm going to keep it super easy. It's going to be maybe 2 or 3 eyeshadows that I'll use, and kind of just an effortless, chic, sultry look, and I'm gonna use my Profusion. It still has a price tag on there, but the Profusion palette, and I'm gonna go in with, oh, I need a mirror. I'm also using the Huda Beauty Gemstone palette. The colors in here are so nice. I thought actually I wouldn't get much use out of these colors, but the colors are really nice. I've been using, the color I'm going to use today is this one here, and I've been using that over some matte eyeshadows, and it's almost like a transition color. Like it looks almost like a pale pink color, but once you put it on top of some other eyeshadows, it just warms up to it and it turns into like a rose gold color. Going into this color right here, it's Zing. And I'm just putting that in, just into the socket, and buffing it out just at the outer corner of the eye. I think I kind of want to warm that up a little bit, so I'll do Fearless. And I'm not putting it on the brow bone, I'm going in. So kind of just meshing all the colors together. I'm gonna go back in with that same brown color right here that's called Zing, and just outline and blend. Got a BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. It's a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna use, it's called Polite. It's this color right here. I think I'm going to use that one just to highlight the brow bone. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the color that I was showing you earlier. If you want to do something darker, you can definitely do this color here. This is really nice. The colors don't have names, I don't think. But this is the mini palette from Huda Beauty. It's called Gemstone Obsessions. Just tap it really lightly with my finger. You can start with a small amount and then build as you go. I really love these eyeshadows. They're so smooth and buttery. They blend really easily, and they are long lasting as well. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna go back in, just take a little bit of Outspoken. I didn't use this color at all, but I just want to warm it up. Not only warm it up, but deepen it a little bit. So I'll use this color. And I'm only gonna focus it on just the outer corner of the eye, blending it a little bit into the socket. Just keeping the color in the outer corner. And make sure that you blend the color out. Next, I'm going in with my Avon eyeliner. This is the, oh, I can't even see. It's in Blackest Black. It's the Avon Glimmer Sticks in Blackest Black. Creating a bit of a wing at the end. And then I'm going to use the flat shader brush and kind of just blend that out. Kind of want to repeat that process depending how dark you want your eyeliner. I'm going to go in a second time. I'm also going to do the bottom waterline. Now going in with the NARS highlighter palette, I'm first gonna go in with the darker, deeper shade. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighting with the lighter one. A little bit of mascara. And we're gonna go in with Milani number 4. Gonna use a little bit of MAC in Control. And I'm just doing the outer corners. Blend that out with my fingers. I quite like that just on its own. It's natural, but I have this lip pencil here. It's a nice champagne color. It's from NARS and it's called Spellbound. I'm just gonna apply that on top and see how it looks. Not bad. It's very natural. Could also do a pink lip with this. So that's what it looks like. Okay, and I think that's the completed look, guys. Yeah, super simple, very easy, effortless. I wanted to do a look that anybody could do using maybe 2 or 3 eyeshadows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the look. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of this look. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and please give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you in my next one.